So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can fix touchscreen not working after iOS 18 update. So many users complained that after the recent iOS 18 update, the touchscreen of their iPhone stopped working. So how to fix this issue? In case if you are also facing this issue, then there is a simple fix for it. Simply force restart your iPhone and this will fix the issue. For this, quickly press volume up button, then quickly press volume down button and then press and hold the power button. Like this. Keep holding the power button. Now this will restart your phone. Release the power button once you see this Apple logo. Once your phone restarts, unlock it. And this should fix the issue. In case the issue is still not fixed, then follow these steps again a few times. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.